Hey, it's me, Charlie. So we got the, I'm still working on my shed. It needs a lot of work done to it, but it's, see, I got the shingles up. That's where I'm at now. That's the edge. I got to go through and cut those off. And then you can see all the roof nails. Alright, I'll show you the roof. It's got the, oh, I gotta turn the radio on. See, I got the whole thing pretty much. I got the, see, I got most of this, and then there's a certain way to get on here. See, and the other half, see, you got the other half of it. So, yeah, I got this half to go now. So I got the shingles here, and I got this last top row, and then I gotta go. It's a whole bag right here behind me, and then I've got probably 3 more courses across the top row here, and then I do the peak across the top. It took 5 courses to get up this far. I haven't snap lined anything, because snap lining was just a waste of time. You can see how I lined up all the shingles. There's a little ridge. If you look on this one here, there's see this ridge right here? That's the ridge that I lined up all the shingles on the next course on. You can see how I lined them all up on that ridge. They were all lined on that. That way there's no snap lining, so I put them all in the exact right place for it to be. And it made for a good looking shingling. I mean, it looks all straight and pretty. It looks really good comparatively. It's hotter than, I don't know what, hotter than the 4th of July, but that's okay. That's just the way it's going to be. And then, yeah, it looks like I'll finish shingling today. Then I got to start on that door down there. That'll be next. I did this side and the other side minus the peak yesterday. So that's about how long it takes. It's an 8x12 shed, so it's, you know, it takes, if you work the whole day on it, you can probably do it in 1 day shingling with a hammer. But it ain't too bad. I'm still able to click right along without the hammer. So it's, anyway, that's where I'm at with that.